Hey, how are you all doing? And we are back from a great show in Punjab. It was so much fun, so much on the road, but yeah, great time. Big thanks to all of you. Now, I've come here quickly to show you some fabric that was, yes, super popular in Punjab, and that's what I'm going to be showing you, which is Chinia Silk. Now, I'm wearing the new gold, new matlab, relatively new, because this is the latest gold that we had shown in Chinia, okay? Now, what I'm also going to be showing you are some dupattas with it, like I'm wearing this dupatta, but the खासियत जो आज दुपट्टों की है वो ये है कि जितने भी ये सब डाइबल हैं कोई भी कलर में in a choice of your, I mean, you can choose whatever color you want it in, okay? Now, this is the first look. And with this look, I have this beautiful Georgette dupatta that you can get in any color of your choice. और मैं आज ऐसे ही कुछ looks है which I'm going to be showing you with Chinia. Now look at that. That's a beautiful one to dress up. Like you can really keep it simple. Now this is the fabric that I'm wearing, okay, and it's ready to be shipped out. You can see इसका जो unique motif है. We've kept it only and only for this color. Of course, you can get some another color in this motif. But yes, this is special to our new, this gold color. Or मैंने of course same on same पहना. It's got some kali. It's got this sheen. It's super soft. It's really pretty. Okay. Now, if you want to go for another option for the same look, or again, you can get this kurta, this dupatta in any color of your choice. Then this is it. Now look at that. It's really elegant. It's got Meena. Like you can just flaunt it. Super soft. So this is also one option for it. From here, I will get the dupatta later on back, but now I want to show you the other dupattas that go fabulously well with Chinia. और मैं एक और चीज़ आपको दिखा रही हूँ, which is the lining that we use, which is super beautiful, very soft. Okay, so this is the latest motif that we have launched. सभी के price same है. Okay, on the pricing, I'm going to talk about it. This fabric that I'm wearing, 3250 per meter. 8125 आता है 2.5 मीटर के लिए, and then you can do the maths. Now look at this combination. It's a fabulous color. This is our tulip, our latest dyeable dupatta that we have launched this year, and it's pretty, really soft, very easy. Works out as a great price point. ये है 20,800 का. अब this is somebody's order, 6 meters of this fabric, and they have also gone for the lining. So it's our linings is really special, 480 per meter, color match, pure cotton, तो pre-shrunk भी है, and this is how it looks. So now you say that I want to go for this whole set in a color red. Yeah, it can be done. That's possible. Next one I'm going to be showing you is a color red. Now this is, look at that. There's a big thorn right there. Fabulous color. Just so striking, like so. Yeah, go for a 6 meter. This one needs a 6. Somebody else also has chosen 6. Now look at that. Now इसके साथ same way में lining होगा. This dupatta is also dyeable, and it's just beautiful. You can even wear it in contrast. Look at that. How amazing it feels and looks. Really soft. All in kadwa. Now from that we go on to another dupatta which is dyeable and in pure georgette and in karwa, okay, and that's this one. मैं आपको कुछ डार्क दिखा रही हूँ, कुछ पेस्टल दिखा रही हूँ, इसमें भी लाइनिंग रेडी है, and these are just gorgeous, so elegant. Look at that dupatta, it's fabulous. Okay, so look at that, there you go. आज कोई लाइव नहीं है. We thought we want to kind of, we're just setting up ourselves, so there's no live, but we just wanted to kind of show it to you. Now another way where you can bring the cost down a bit is go for a plain bottom. So ये तरीका है where you have, look at that, that's the dupatta. Boota का आपका chinia boota fabric for your kurta, and then you say I want a plain bottom because this is 2250, same fabric with border, with boota, without boota. Okay, so इसका आपका of course price कम आ जाता है. Like this 2.5 meter and this 2.5 meter is like some 13,000. You have a pure silk suit which is so beautiful. That's the lining. Okay, take the lining also, and that's a dupatta. Now dupatta, you have all of these choices, right from the 24,800, 20,800, फिर 24, फिर 26,800, फिर 28,800, फिर 32,800. No, this is also 26,800. So you've got all of these beautiful pieces coming to you, which you can just kind of mix and match and take. Now look at that. इसमें ना मैं एक चिनिया खोल के दिखाती हूँ. I love this color. Okay, it's beautiful. Look at that. Really soft. Got some sheen. Just really awesome in every which ways. and let's show you the dupatta. There you go, that's the one. कोई भी इनमें से लें, अपने कलर के हिसाब से इसको डाई कराएं. बूटा पूरा लें 6 मीटर, या आप इसको प्लेन के साथ लें तो यू कैन डू अ प्लेन बॉटम. लाइनिंग ले या बिना लाइनिंग ले, but the point is that they're fabulous. They can be customized in any color of your choice. All of these are dyeable, so yes, or take it white and dye it at your end, whatever works for you. Thank you, and I will see you soon. Bye.